Looking for the best Osmo learning games? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Osmo learning games on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Osmo Creative Kit for iPad. Pros: easy-to-use app is a hit with kids, and the included dry erase board and markers offer extra savings to parents rather than using up paper. Monster Game is available in Spanish. Works with iPad or there's a Fire tablet version. Cons: dry erase board is prone to scratching, which can make it harder for Osmo to scan the drawings correctly. Markers don't last long. Bottom line: kids love this interactive drawing app and erasable board, which features engaging characters that encourage creativity. At number 2. Osmo Pizza Company Game Plus iPad Base. Pros: teaches basic math, problem solving, and time management skills to kids of all ages in a fun way. New stacking component improves the organization of game pieces. Cons: younger kids may need parents' help to keep up with the speed of the game. Bottom line: getting kids to learn math without realizing they're learning math. Genius. Easily one of the top Osmo add-ons on the market. At number 1. Osmo Genius Kit for iPad. Pros: cleverly designed, intuitive games that engage kids. Combines electronic device use with tactile visual elements like shapes, letters, paper and pen. Base adjusts to fit different iPad widths. Also a Fire version. Cons: word game letters are easy to lose. Older kids may lose interest quickly. iPads must be removed from protective cases to fit the base. Bottom line: engages and challenges kids by combining a tablet app with real-world elements, providing instant feedback on strategy, math, reading and art games. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.